If you don't like looking at cleavage and vava boom, then don't watch this video because you will see a lot of cleavage here. Here, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you guys some sexy dresses that I picked up online. Anyway, before I show you the dresses, I wanted to thank Upbra for sponsoring this video. I have featured Upbra in my previous video. I like Upbra. I don't use the bra every single day because it's not for every day. It's for special occasions. I actually wore it on Valentine's Day. Dan took me on a date, so we went on you know, Valentine's date, and I wore the black bra that I'm wearing right now, but I also have it in nude, which looks like this. Obviously I don't have the, like, you know, big cleavage boobies. I don't have that. This bra will provide you with a lift if you want a lift, and it will provide you with like the cleavage if you want that. I honestly do not mind. Like, para sa akin, it's okay to not have, like, you know, bobacious cleavage, but I wear this because it keeps those babies up in there. At least in my case, I don't worry about my bra falling off. And that is because of all the grip that they have. Those heart-shaped thingies are the grips that keeps the bra in place. I actually do not adjust this because just wearing the bra gives me the lift already, like gives me the cleavage already, compared to my regular bra that doesn't give me anything at all, because again, I don't have, you know, boom right there to have cleavage. But this bra gives you cleavage. If you want extra cleavage, if that's your thing, you can adjust this and lalagay mo siya dito, or mas malayo, mas malaking cleavage. On screen right now, you will see the comparison. This is me wearing my regular strapless bra and me wearing the up bra. You guys can see the difference. It really gives you that lift. Again, it's not for every day. It's not the most comfortable bra out there, but if you're on a special occasion and you want the bra that actually stays up there, this is really good. So now I will go ahead and show you guys the dresses that I got from Shein. If you guys have been watching me, you know that I'm petite. I'm really short. I'm what, 4'10"? Not even 5. Jesus Christ. It's so hard for me to find dresses that actually fit me when it comes to sexy dresses, like dresses for, you know, going on a date, something like that. If it's just regular flowy dresses, it's alright, but like fitted dresses, it's hard for me to find. I'll go ahead and start with the dress that I'm wearing right now. This is my favorite, kind of like casual, parang pwede na siyang pang date night, but pwede ding pang, you know, go out with friends na dress. I really like it. It's very, very flowy, and I like the buttons that goes all the way down. Yes, I know hindi ko na-button lahat during the tie-on, and until now, hindi naka-button lahat. It's because it's so hard. Ang dami nila. Kakaloka, ang liit-liit pa ng ano. This is a dress that I didn't get to try on for you guys because I already have this makeup on, and this is a bit tight. I don't want na mahulas yung makeup ko kapag sinuot ko siya. That's why I wasn't able to try it on, but it fits me perfectly. Na-try ko na siya kahapon. It's so pretty. This is very sexy, you guys. It's not like super revealing because it's long. Meron ka makikitang konti dito, but it's long, so it's not like you're showing too much. Next dress is this right here. Again, the maroon, and the material is velvet, you guys. Look at how pretty. I also like the neck part, so it's closed neck, and then it also shows the vulvage, and then the back part, it has that long, very long, big keyhole right there. Next one is one of my favorites, as in, oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. I really love the color, and I also really like how it looks on me. This dress fits me perfectly. Like, honestly though, it just hugs my body. It's not super short. It is very revealing on this part right here, but it's not super short. Plus, Daniel. I like that it has that flowy effect sa kanya na parang, yes, you're sexy, but like girly at the same time. Not like full-on sexy because, like, you know, it's not full-on body hugging. I just really like this. And my favorite part, you guys, is the neck piece. Pero yeah, oh my gosh. And I'm so happy that it fits me. I do not know when I will wear this kasi yung date namin na dan, that was just once a year, Valentine's Day. So I think. But I really like it. Sana merong ganap in the future na masusuot ko siya because it's one of my favorites. And then I also got the dress that I wore on Valentine's Day. Sa Valentine's date namin na daan. That one is not like super revealing. This part right here, it's just an off shoulder. I don't have it with me because basa siya. Nilabhan ko siya. But it's so pretty. I will insert pictures right now. I'll also insert picture from the website itself so you guys can see. Maganda to. But I chose that one because I don't want like super revealing in this part right here. I don't want to go out like that. Wearing that sa Valentine's Day was so uncomfortable in my part already. I'm not comfortable wearing ish like that, but because it was Valentine's and I wanted to wear something nice and something kind of sexy, so I wore it. And also wearing the Upbra with it na I know hindi malalaglag yung bra ko. It was good. It was good. So yeah, that is it for this video. I will leave the links of the dresses below. I hope you enjoyed. I know this is different from the other videos I've done. Huwag kayong masanay kasi I'm not gonna buy a lot of these dresses in the future. Like, I think this is enough for me. Enough na mga sexy dresses na to para sa akin. It will last me forever because I don't wear it all the time, you know? So yeah, please like the video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! So I have it in black, which I am wearing right now. Bye! Hello. I'm filming. Yes, how are you?